Welcome to this technical guide on the Dell XPS P153G. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dell XPS P153G won't turn on, you are not alone. This issue often arises due to a faulty power connection or a malfunctioning component on the motherboard. If left unaddressed, it can lead to further damage, making repairs more complicated and expensive. In this guide, I will walk you through the tools and steps needed to get your laptop back up and running. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a plastic spudger. Additionally, having some replacement screws on hand can be helpful if any get damaged during the process. First, ensure your Dell XPS P153G is powered down and unplugged. To open the device safely, turn it upside down and locate the screws securing the back panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and place them in a safe location. Once the screws are out, use the plastic spudger to gently pry the back panel off. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as you don't want to damage any clips holding the panel in place. After removing the back panel, you will need to locate the battery and the motherboard. The power issue usually stems from the motherboard, so take a close look at this component. Check for any visible damage or burnt components. If you see any signs of damage, you may need to replace the motherboard. To do this, disconnect the battery first by unplugging the connector. Next, locate the screws securing the motherboard in place and remove them with your Phillips screwdriver. Remember to keep track of which screws go where. Once the screws are out, gently lift the motherboard from its housing, being careful not to damage any surrounding components. If you're replacing the motherboard, carefully insert the new one, making sure to line it up correctly with the connectors. Reattach the screws to secure it in place, reconnect the battery, and ensure all cables are properly attached. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After everything is reassembled, replace the back panel and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Before testing, double-check that everything is connected and that no screws are left over. Now, plug in your device and attempt to turn it on. If it powers up, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your Dell XPS P153G. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure you regularly maintain your device by cleaning dust from vents and ensuring all connections are secure. Additionally, consider using a surge protector to safeguard against power surges. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.